Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is. Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
So what's up, y'all? They gave me a different car because I asked for a different one. Basically, I rented a Trax last time because the Trax was exactly like my Trax. It was just a year below. So this time I rented a Ford, and I'm excited because it looked good. I'm like, why didn't I get a Ford last time? This car fast. I ain't gonna lie, and I like Fords. I want to trade my car and just get this car. Literally, like, look at this. It's nice. It's spacious. I don't feel like if I'm in a car with another person, I'm gonna be touching all on them, like, elbow wise. But right now, I'm about to pull off. I had to fix the seatbelt because I literally don't know how to work this car, but we're gonna figure it out. The little thing in the back, the windshield wiper won't even go out. I don't know how to fix it. It won't go off. But I gotta make it to work, so I'll talk to y'all when I get there. By this time, I had already made it to work, but I didn't want to record out loud because people were in meetings and they had on headphones. Some of them didn't have headphones, and some of them were meeting with partners. So I wanted to be respectful of their space and their time because people be trying to get out of work on time, baby, and I'm one of them. I do not want to stay there all day working, but I had a lot of stuff to do today, y'all. So now that I look at this car, it's little, but it's so cute, right? Like, and it looks like it got a lot of space. Love this little car. My car better though.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you.
So, hey y'all. It is currently 7:31, and my boss just called me, so I have something to do before I go to bed. And am I annoyed by it? No, because I'm quick on my feet with it. But I just left the office and he called me in and told me that he needed me to do something. So I'm gonna finish that and then I'm gonna eat something and I'm gonna go to sleep. tomorrow it'll be much more eventful. We got a retreat tomorrow, so I'll see y'all later because it's time to go to bed. Thank y'all for watching. Yeah. Bye, y'all.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it